How ENFJ acts when they like someone. ENFJ individuals may exhibit specific behaviors when they develop feelings for someone. Here are some signs to look for. Attentive listening. ENFJs are known for their empathetic nature, and when they like someone, they become exceptionally attentive listeners. They show genuine interest in the other person's thoughts and feelings. Expressive communication. ENFJs value open and expressive communication. When they have feelings for someone, they may openly share their thoughts, emotions, and future plans, seeking a deeper connection. Supportive actions. ENFJs express affection through supportive actions. They may offer help, encouragement, and assistance to the person they like, showing a strong desire to contribute positively to their life. Creating emotional connection. ENFJs aim to create a deep emotional connection. When interested, they may share personal stories, vulnerabilities, and aspirations to foster a sense of intimacy. Inclusive socializing. ENFJs enjoy socializing, and when they like someone, they often include them in social activities. They introduce the person to their friends and family, integrating them into their social circle. Considerate gestures. ENFJs show affection through considerate gestures. They may go out of their way to do things that bring joy and comfort to the person they like, such as thoughtful surprises or acts of kindness. Emotional availability. ENFJs are emotionally available and responsive. When they have feelings for someone, they are attentive to the emotional needs of the person, offering comfort and support when necessary. How to make an ENFJ like you. Engage in meaningful conversations. ENFJs value deep, meaningful conversations. Engage in discussions about personal beliefs, values, and aspirations to connect on a profound level. Show appreciation for support. Acknowledge and appreciate the support and encouragement ENFJs provide. Express gratitude for their efforts to make a positive impact on your life. Participate in social settings. Join in social activities and gatherings. ENFJs appreciate partners who can comfortably integrate into their social circles. Express your thoughts and feelings. Be open and expressive about your thoughts and feelings. ENFJs value genuine communication and are attracted to partners who can share their inner world. Reciprocate support. Offer support in return. ENFJs appreciate partners who reciprocate the care and encouragement they provide. Value emotional connection. Prioritize emotional connection in the relationship. Share personal stories, vulnerabilities, and aspirations to strengthen the bond. Be emotionally available. Demonstrate emotional availability. ENFJs are drawn to partners who are attuned to emotions and can engage in a supportive and understanding manner. In summary, connecting with an ENFJ involves engaging in meaningful conversations, appreciating their support, participating in social activities, expressing thoughts and feelings openly, reciprocating support, valuing emotional connection, and being emotionally available.